Hi and welcome to CloudStrong's channel backup solution. This is an add-on video. It's a continuation from creating customer accounts for a partner within channel backup. What we need to do is we've just finished creating our customer account, so now we need to download the software, which is just here. I'm going to cancel that. I already have it downloaded, so that we can install it on our customer's server and run our backups. So I'm just going to install this now just quickly for you. Get rid of that. Okay. So let's install. Shouldn't take too long. Go through the obligatory install. There we go. Now this is the software service that's required to run. You'll see it within your notifications area. Okay, when it's running, and it will schedule your backups for you. You can also use it as an interface, so you can actually create multiple jobs to do different elements of backups and run at different times. You can also edit your retention period, or whether you want incremental or full backups on specific days and times as well. So we'll bring you through some of those selections once the software is loaded. So the first thing we need to do is specify our backup server. So it's done over secure protocol, and it's called backup.outlookinthecloud.com. Okay. That's always the same. And the login name would be the account that we created. Okay. And the password that we gave with it. Okay, you'll find that just here. So its username is server1 and whatever the password was that we gave it when we created this account here. Okay. Do be aware it is case sensitive. Okay. Oh, looks like I got my password wrong somewhere. So let's just check that. Okay. There we go. Okay, now here we can specify which sets we want to set up. So I'm going to set this up as a simple file server, so I'm going to call it file backup. Nice and simple. Okay, here we can actually add different modules if we selected them. Alright, and select next. That will be the profile. I'm going to deselect documents and I am going to go to advanced, because I want to specify which folders. I don't want to copy everything in my documents. There's only certain files that I feel I need to keep backed up. Okay, so now on my local disk C, I'm going to go to WAMP. I'm going to back up my log files that are inside of there. Okay, select next, and here I can select my download schedule. So I can say, I don't know, grandfather, father, son. Select it for daily, because that's what I want it to do. At 9 o'clock is fine, everything's closed down by then, so I'm happy enough with that. And select OK, and select next. Leave my encryption as default. And that is my backup profile created. See it there, backup. It's the only one I have running. If I need to, I can add another one. If I need to add another module, I go to the cog, I select the plus here, and I can then select doc backup, select next, leave my documents selected, click next, and choose when I want to do that. I can do that an hour earlier if I like. Select it for daily, select OK, and next, leave the default encryption again, and that's been created. So now I have two profiles. Nice and simple. Okay, I can select my schedule here if I need to go in and change it. Okay, sorry, just go back to the cog. I can select my retention policy. Okay, so if I go to advanced and add, I can then say, okay, I've got a 14-day retention policy, and just select 14. Okay, go into properties. I can edit that if I need to again. Okay, extra backup. I can decide whether I want to do it offline or online. Okay, and let's just select that backup schedule and go. That's the log file, that's good. Select OK, and it will back up those logs for me. Creating a shadow copy just to make sure that everything's backed up even if the file's open. And there it is. Okay, it tells me it's finished. View the log and you can see how it's completed if there are any errors. Okay, close. That's how to create a backup profile using our online backup manager. Thank you for listening and check out our other videos.